So let's start by placing our hands on our stomach. Now, I'm in a seated position on the floor, but if you're more comfortable in a chair, by all means, have a seat and just move forward on the chair so that your back isn't resting against the chair. And you want to keep your spine elongated, straight, like something's pulling from the top of your head towards the ceiling. And if you don't have the ability to sit up or you don't enjoy sitting on the floor, you're welcome to lie down. You can lie down and then just place your hands on the belly. And as you breathe in, you can feel your stomach expand. And as you breathe out, you can feel it fall. And then you breathe in. And breathe out. And then next, move your hands to your rib cage. And then feel, as your belly expands, the breath moves its way up into your ribs. Inhale, up into the ribs. And then exhale slowly. And feel everything come back, fall down again. And then breathe in again. Belly, rib cage. And then exhale and feel them contract again. And then you can take it one step farther. We call this three-part breathing because it's belly, then ribs, and then upper chest up to your collarbones. So breathe in, inhale, starting from the belly, inhale, into the ribs, and then up into the upper chest. And then nice, long, slow exhale. And one more time. Inhale. Ribs. Chest. And exhale. And what you're doing, besides bringing more oxygen into your system, with the slow exhale, you're activating your parasympathetic nervous system, which is a big word, but basically that's the part of your nervous system that causes you to rest, to be calm. They call it rest and digest. It's when you're calm, you're relaxed, you don't have any stress. And so by working with our breathing, we can calm down our body, which then calms our mind. We're going the other direction. Instead of our mind getting our body worked up by releasing hormones and the stress from our thoughts going into our body, we're trying to calm the body with the breath, which then can help us calm down our mind, especially if we have racing thoughts or we're really worried. By focusing on the body, you let the thoughts go for a little while and just come back to working with calming yourself down so that you feel better. Let's try to add a little movement with this breathing now. So starting out, this is better done in a sitting position, but it can be done lying down, and I can show some variations for that. But let's just like have our hands seated here and just inhale and lift your right arm. And then exhale and lower it. And inhale, raise your left arm. And then exhale and lower. And now we're going to go a little bit farther this time. So when we inhale, raise the right arm. This time when we exhale, we're going to lean towards our left. Exhale. And you feel a little stretch in your left side. Don't go too far. Just go to a point where you feel that stretch. And then inhale, come back up. And then exhale, lower the arm. And then on the other side, inhale. And then exhale, lean and stretch into the side. Gentle stretch. And then inhale back up. Exhale down. Let's do that again. Inhale up. Exhale, stretch to the side. And then inhale up. Lower the arm. These are just nice, gentle, slow movements. Inhale up. Exhale to the side. Inhale up. And exhale, lower your arm. Just to put some gentle movement in coordination with the breath, getting your body a little active, working out some of that tension, and just enjoying the moment. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. And on the other side, one more time. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. And this time what we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of a twist. So when you inhale, bring your arm up. And then as you exhale, you're going to turn just a bit. Don't push it, because later on you might find a kink in your body because you went a little too far. So let's try not to do that. And then you can also bring your other hand onto the opposite knee and just sit here and breathe in and raise up. And then exhale, and just, you want to be able to lift your hands. You're not pulling, just gentle, gentle stretch. And then inhale, raise both arms up. Come back to forward and rest your hands. And this time we're going to go on the opposite side. Inhale and turn. And whenever you reach a comfortable spot, lower your hand to the floor and then bring your other hand onto the opposite knee. Inhale, straighten your spine. Exhale, just relax into the twist. Doesn't have to be a great twist. We all have different limits, so just respect where your body will go and don't push it. This is just a time for gentle movement. And back to inhale, back to center, and lower the arms. You'll do it once more on each side. Inhale, turn, lower hand, bring your other hand to your opposite knee. Inhale and exhale and settle into the twist. Inhale one more time here. Exhale, settle into the twist. And inhale, come back to center, lower your hands, let your spine settle for a second, and then inhale again. Turn to the other side, lower your hand, other hand to opposite knee, settle into the twist as you exhale. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, settle into the twist. And then inhale, come back to center and lower your hands. And then, shake it out a little. How does that feel? How does the breathing feel? Now, if you happen to wake up in the middle of the night, or you find that your mind is sort of focusing on things that are stressing you out a little bit, sometimes it's good to just close your eyes and just breathe with it. Just feel the sensations that are in your body. I know your mind may have a bunch of thoughts floating through it, but if you bring your mind back to feel the sensations in your body and then breathe with those, you'll find that you become a little bit anchored in your body and your mind will begin to settle. And as you breathe with those sensations, don't struggle with them, just let them be there. I know they can be very uncomfortable, but if you let them be there, as you breathe with it, you can kind of imagine you're breathing into that sensation. For me, I get tension a lot in my stomach, so I breathe into my stomach. And then let it out. And you imagine slow exhalation. You just let the stress kind of dissipate with the breath. Nice slow exhale. Keep activating that rest and digest nervous system so that you allow the tension. You give the stress permission to leave your body. Don't try to force it, because that'll just create more stress. Just give it permission. You have permission to go, and I'm going to breathe to help you on your way. And then there's one more breathing technique that's kind of handy. We call it box breath because it's 4 of the same length, but they're different things. There's inhale, then you hold your breath, then you exhale, and you hold it again. So I kind of tap my knee to kind of keep track of the number of counts because I kind of count as I go along each side of the box. So I inhale, hold, exhale, hold, inhale, hold, exhale, hold, inhale, hold, exhale, hold. Sometimes this one is a little more effective, especially if I wake up in the middle of the night and I'm like having a miniature panic attack or something. You're very stressed about something. That type of breathing, the box breathing, the holding kind of forces you to really pay attention to your body. So again, it's drawing our attention back away from our thoughts into like our present moment experience. And so breathing it's very simple. I've been doing it all my life. Yes, we have. But there are aspects to breathing that can really help us. And by using the body to calm the mind, we can help ourselves to calm and get back to a state of relaxation when sometimes we're very stressed and worried. So practice your breathing, practice some gentle stretches, and in the next video, we'll take this a little bit farther. We're going to build up a little yoga routine that you can use on your own in between the times that maybe you're waiting for another video, or there's plenty of videos out there on YouTube of different yoga routines, but it's nice to have your own so that if you're out somewhere, you can just do your little stretches and feel good. Maybe you're at the beach, maybe you're camping, I don't know. Anyway, see you next time.